So in the chapter 11, I would like to analyze some concept of auctions. But be careful about I'm not familiar with this part, so it may sound like weird or some concepts are not clear. So please just so if you do not want to this kind of video, just skip it. Okay, I'm gonna start. So how to analyze auctions? We must know three things about. The first is rules and values and information. Rules is about learn how to bid in an auction. Values is about understand how auctions work. Information makes me can decide auctions. There are two kind of values. The first is private value, like you value. So if the auction's item is a pet and it's your grandfather's pet, so even though the common value is the same, yeah, but your private value is very high because you want to obtain this pet because it is your grandfather's pet, right? So it is private value. And yes, the other is common value, which is reasonable, which is comprehensible. So the first concept of an auction is winner's curse. What is winner's curse? Winner's curse is that there are information asymmetry. So the buyer can't do not know the whole value or whole information about this auction item. So if he win this auction, sometimes he pay more than its value, so it is called winner's curse. So how to because there are because the winner's curse are appeared. So because if the winner's curse keep appeared, and then there are fewer and fewer participants would like to join the auction. So the sellers must solve this problem. Seller solutions to solve winner's curse by private value. Private value is, yes, I have said it. So by private value, you can choose the following form to arrange your auction. The first is second price or second price selected bid auctions. That is, the second high price will win the auction, not the first high, because the first high is winner's curse, right? The first usually bid too much, then the auction's value. For the common value, yes, English auctions. English auctions is information exchange helps to balance the information. That is, English auctions is like very common, like to lift your board and to bid directly to the auction owner. That is English auctions. Okay. So the following is about spectrum rights. It is like FN 95.6. Yes, there are a lot of spectrum in America, and more companies want to use them. So the government decided to put them on the auction, so the company can bid for the auction for the spectrum. How to allocate spectrum rights? The government first come to three ideas. The first is administrative process. The second is lottery. The third is auction. So the administrative process is invalid because there are not so many there are not so many needed to use, right? And the lottery didn't make sense either because auction lottery means everyone can compete and can attend, right? So if everyone can attend, those do not need spectrum ones can sell it after he win the lottery. So there is not very not very market efficiency. So let's try to decide auctions. The government's goal is to achieve efficient outcome, right? And the second is promote military-owned firms. Yes, he need to. I don't want to explain the detail, so just. The third is prevent monopolization. That means no specific company can own a larger amount of spectrum. The fourth is don't cause political problems. Yes, that is because if the government do not arrange it correctly, there may be some political problems to solve. The fifth is maximize revenues. Yeah, it is obviously because the government need money. So the first question is open auction or sealed auction. Sealed auction, open. So sealed auction usually do not exchange information so many times, so it is more likely to appear winner's curse, right? So so in American government finally choose to open auction, and they try to set reverse price and stopping rules so that can avoid winner's curse as possible as they can. So the second is simultaneous or sequential auctions. So the government finally select is simultaneous. So because the sequential auctions is too simple and cannot go back, and may appear predatory bidding. So the final question is, should the royalties be used? Yes, it's of course, because it is less risky for buyers and disincentive to post auctions. So it should be used. Okay, so that is how to design an auction, and yeah, that is how to design an auction, and trying to 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 avoid winner's curse. Yes, the biggest the biggest problem is winner's curse. We want to avoid that, right? So it is the auctions, chapter 11. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.